You see him smiling and giving the thumbs up. Eman Bacosa.
The second. This will be 4.
Alright, gentlemen, this is 4 rounds of boxing. I want you to protect yourselves and follow my commands at all time. No hitting behind the head and keep your punches up. Is it clear? That's not a clear corner.
Ako, narinig natin ang third man in the ring. Si referee Fernando Tixo II. Itong laban Bacosa. With a distinct height advantage. 5'10" po siya against Pangantao. Si Bacosa coming off that split draw with Jonel Pujamat in September. Last year, ito na po. Bakbakan na kaagad. Pangantao attacking Eman Bacosa. Si Pangantao. Eman Bacosa scoring a knockdown in the first round. Some shots to the head, some shots to the body. Hindi na natatayo to. It's over! It's over! Unbelievable ending. Umatake si Pangantao, but Eman Bacosa countering, and he's in tears. He is in tears.
Bangko.
Grabe nangyari dito. And he's on his knees. Eman Bacosa thanking the Lord for this big victory. His first win as a professional. At tuwa-tuwa po ang ating 8th Division World Champion Senator Manny Pacquiao. You see him smiling and getting the thumbs up. Eman Bacosa scoring a first-round knockout over Noel Pangantao. And Pangantao now leading the ring. And Eman Bacosa acknowledging the cheers of the crowd. He was in tears. And, you know, this is a landmark victory. Itong unang-unang panalo niya as a professional. And that did the damage. Pangantao going down. And Eman Bacosa.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time 32 seconds in the first round. As referee Pixel stops the fight, winner by technical knockout, Eman Bacosa.
And there is your winner, Eman Bacosa. 32 seconds on the first round, making short work of Noel Pangantao. Grabe yung nangyari. Umatake si Pangantao, and Bacosa was back on his heels. And then he went over to the ropes. His back was against the ropes. Kumounter siya. Nakatama siya ng magandang kanan to the side of the face ni Pangantao. Biglang nabuwal. Pangantao not beating the 10 count, and he goes down as a loser by a first round knockout to Eman Bacosa. Now, this was scheduled for 4 rounds in the lightweight division. Eman Bacosa going over to 8th Division World Champion Senator Manny Pacquiao getting a warm embrace and kisses. Oh my gosh. Eman Bacosa has scored a scintillating knockout in the first round, and everyone is